Okay, for this video, I wanted to talk about those 2022 tax deadlines. So tax season is upon us. We've got a couple of dates to be mindful of depending on what filing you need. So let's go through them very quickly here. So when we talk about 2022 tax deadlines, we're referring to the 2021 tax returns, right? So for example, if I look at this 1040 here for John, this is John's 2021 1040. Right, but this is going to be filed during 2022. Okay, so we have a 2021 tax return that's being filed during 2022. So what are the relevant deadlines? Well, for individuals, your Form 1040 for that 2021 calendar year has got to be filed on or before April 18th, 2022. Now, normally the deadline is April 15th, 2022, or normally it's April 15th every year. But if it falls on a weekend or a holiday, then they move it. So this year, there's a holiday in play here. So April 18th, 2022 is the deadline to file this Form 1040. Now, you can apply for an automatic extension by filing 4868. And that's going to move the deadline up to October 17th, 2022. And again, it's being moved because of a weekend or a holiday, right? Normally it's October 15. Now, if you're filing a partnership tax return, partnerships, the due date is generally 2.5 months following the close of the tax year. So, for example, if you have a Form 1065 filing for a calendar year partnership, calendar year means that the partnership year end ends on December 31st, 2021. The 1065 has got to be filed on or before March 15th, 2022. Okay, now partnerships like individuals can also request an extension via Form 7004, and that's going to push the deadline up to September 15th, 2022. S corporations, the same thing. S corporations file a Form 1120S for a calendar year S corp ending on December 31st, 2021. You're going to need to get that return filed on or before March 15th, 2022. If you need more time, that's okay. File an extension via Form 7004, and that's going to push the deadline up to September 15th, 2022. And last but not least, we have our corporations, Form 1120. These entities share the same tax deadlines as individuals, so Form 1120 for the 2021 tax year has got to be filed on or before April 18th, 2022. And again, it's being moved from the 15th for a holiday. Extensions can be filed by submitting a Form 7004, and that's going to move that deadline up to October 17th, 2022. Okay, so that's the quick and dirty tax deadlines. Figure out what return you need to file, mark the date on your calendar. Do not miss this because late filing penalties can be severe, even by just missing it by one day. So I hope that was helpful. Let me know if you have any questions, and enjoy your tax season. Thank you.